Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button to support me. Thank you. In today's video, I will be showing you how to fix God of War. You need at least D3D_feature level 11_1 error on PC. First of all, let's set God of War.exe file to use our dedicated graphics. If you have a dedicated graphics installed on your computer, so, right-click on the desktop, and click on Graphics Settings. Then locate the graphics setting. I already have mine added and set to high performance, which means the game will be using my dedicated GPU. Now we are simply going to add some files into the game folder. This file is called DXVK 1.9. Note, this is the version 1.9 and this version works for me rather than the latest version, which is 2.7. I will be sharing the file and the link will be in the description. All you need to do is just download the zip file, copy the files in the folder and paste it into the parent God of War folder. And it should work. Hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See some other time. Thank you.
Bye.
Wait for my mark.